Hey my friends, how you doing? This is Coffee Truck here. And so what I wanted to do is share with you something that I use in classrooms as well as in my house. I have these huge bins that I store just random Lego pieces in that schools use, and I bring to classrooms for activities. And sometimes for some of the builds in which we're trying to teach collaboration and communication and how to work together, we will put in the middle of a classroom or a space just a big pile of Legos, and then they have to work through that. So part of that solution is then we don't want to pick it all up by hand because that would take forever. So what we do is we lay it down on just a blanket, and then when we're done, we just wrap up the blanket like so, and then we literally just pick up the blanket and dump it in the bin, and it's perfect. So it's literally just this simple. Anyway, you want to hold this real quick? For 2 seconds and show me pick this blanket up. Pick up the blanket, dump it in the bin, and we're done. Perfect. And then it's easy to just put the lid on and move over. So, hope you find this tip helpful, and look forward to learning other ideas that you guys use.